Okay, student, here we discuss about list of anion, which will tell you about tendency of anion to discharge. I am Bina Dikshit. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Very useful information for different competitive exams. God bless you. All the best. See here the tendency, or write down this order. Tendency of anion to discharge increases in the order. F negative as fluoride ion, sulfate ion, nitrate ion, chloride ion, bromide ion, iodide ion, and OH negative ion. So which is having highest tendency from this, because we know we are thinking from the discharge potential. So highest discharge potential of F negative and least discharge potential of OH negative, they are just opposite to each other. Highest discharge potential means harder to discharge anions, and least tendency to discharge anions. Okay, highest discharge potential means it don't want to get discharged easily. Here, for example, F negative, very high oxidation potential, require a large amount of energy to oxidize twice of F negative to F2. That is why it is having least tendency to discharge anion. Followed by sulfate ion and nitrate ion. Why sulfate and nitrate? Here sulfate ion, sulfur is in +6 oxidation state, which is maximum oxidation state, so cannot oxidize further. Like that, nitrate ion is having +5 oxidation state in nitrate ion, and it cannot be further oxidized. Okay, so it is also out. Now we will go for Cl negative, Br negative, I negative. Although they are having little larger discharge potential as compared to OH negative, but still the OH negative is lowest discharge potential. It must be discharged its ion and should give oxygen, but it is having higher voltage. It requires higher voltage, over voltage we can say. At that time extra amount of energy is required to get O2. So it is difficult to oxidize OH negative to O2 as compared to Cl negative, Br negative, and I negative. Cl negative, Br negative, and I negative, these are the exceptional cases which is having higher discharge potential as compared to OH negative, I am saying. Okay, they are comparing with OH negative only, not with this. Okay, so they are having more discharge potential as compared to OH negative, but still they will discharge their ion prior to OH negative, because OH negative is requiring more amount of energy, high voltage, and they require only lower voltage associated with Cl negative, Br negative, I negative. So easily discharge to give Cl2, Br2, or I2 respectively. Whatever they have given you, accordingly you have to write down. Okay, everything is clear to you? Here I have written tendency to